Hi, I'm Matt with MaxTow Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what's included in the packaging when you purchase one of our gauges. So today I'm going to walk you through what's included with a fuel pressure gauge. It's available in 15, 30, and 100 psi options. Each option is available with a black or white face with a green display, or a black or white face with a blue display. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm fuel pressure gauge with a double vision analog and digital display and a brightness level button on the front. Also included in the packaging, you have a 9-foot sensor harness, a 5-foot power harness, a fuel pressure sensor, mounting bracket and hardware, a gauge visor for sun glare, and full color installation instructions. If you need any additional vehicle-specific installation accessories, feel free to visit our website at maxtow.com.